Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by configuring the client. Open settings and enable key remapping so F keys register in combat. Next, assign F1 through F12 to the actions you need most: protect prayers, quick eat, special attack, or teleport items, because consistent placement saves reaction time. Once done, set a short debounce or delay of roughly 0.5 seconds to prevent accidental double triggers. This preserves accuracy when you spam keys. Practice the new layout in a safe area to build muscle memory before taking it to high-risk situations. Now you refine execution. Create repeatable combos, grouping healing, defensive, and offensive binds in the order you will use them. Practice those sequences at a target dummy or during low-risk Slayer tasks so you learn the rhythm. Timing matters because some actions have global cooldowns and others don't. Make note of typical delays, often between 0.3 and 1.0 seconds, and adjust your rhythm. Once you can hit the sequence without looking, increase pressure by adding movement or switching targets to mimic real encounters. In actual combat, you employ your prepared F key sequences deliberately. Initiate with offense, interleave heals or prayers, and finish with escape or teleport binds. Make sure to adapt mid-fight, change target, or hit an emergency eat bind without breaking the combo, because flexibility wins more than rigid scripts. If something goes wrong, immediately check client focus, ensure your keys are not bound elsewhere, and retest debounce settings. Losing focus or too short debounce are the usual culprits. Finally, rehearse resets so you can recover under pressure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.